Welcome to our tutorial on mechanical settings in Revit, where we'll guide you through configuring the essential settings to optimize your HVAC, piping, and plumbing systems. To access mechanical settings, click on the Manage tab at the top of your screen. In the MEP Settings panel, find the Mechanical Settings button and click on it. This will open the Mechanical Settings dialog box, where all the configurations for ducts, pipes, and HVAC systems are located. First, let's explore duct settings. Here, you can define system types, specify default duct sizes, and set flow conversion values. This helps ensure your ductwork design meets the specific requirements of your project. You can also adjust pressure classifications, which help determine the appropriate duct sizing based on air velocity and pressure drop. Next, in pipe settings, you can configure system types like hydronic, domestic water, and fire protection. Default pipe sizes and fluid types, such as water or air, can be adjusted here. Revit calculates pressure losses and friction factors based on these settings. Remember, proper setup of these parameters ensures accurate flow and sizing calculations for your piping system. Under Mechanical Settings, you'll also find the pressure loss and flow calculation options, where you can control the calculation method for ducts and pipes. These methods can be fine-tuned to match industry standards or project-specific requirements. Once you've adjusted your settings, click OK to save and apply them to your project. Your mechanical systems will now follow the parameters you've specified, making your design process smoother and more accurate. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Revit tutorials.